Law. I'm the Chief Engineer at the National Space Centre in Leicester, UK. This planetarium is special because, well, it's the largest in the UK for a start. It's also got the lowest gain screen. That is, it's going to have the best dynamic performance of any planetarium I know of, simply because we can throw so much light onto that surface, which is suppressed when it bounces backwards and forwards, giving us great contrast as well as very bright imagery.
Hi, I'm Chris Moore, Head of Sales B2B for BenQ UK. We're here today to talk about a really exciting installation that's recently been completed. So I first met Graham back in 2016. He contacted us via the website looking for some advice regarding our new laser projectors that were coming out. I met with Graham in this very room and very quickly realised this was going to be a very complex installation.
BenQ were very cooperative, right down to the manufacturing process, where the delivered projectors guaranteed to be sequentially manufactured. So all the serial numbers in these projectors are one after the other. So we have true matching of the components, which is very helpful to us.
So luckily for us, we had an LU9915 that was about to be released. And we realised that we could work the firmware to get the requirements that Graham wanted.
Got 13 projectors made up of 2 rings of 6. So we have a lower ring of 6. Each one is mechanically and electronically blended together. Then we have an upper ring of 6, again blended together and with a lower ring. And we have a projector just dedicated to filling in the gap in the middle called the Zenith projector, which makes a total of 13.
What makes this absolutely unique, this installation, is not just the size of the planetarium, but it's also the complexity of having so many projectors producing one image. This was achieved with the first batch that was actually sold from BenQ into Graham, and obviously you can see the results. It's exhilarating, it's fantastic, it's spectacular. Something to be very proud of if you're associated with BenQ, that our projectors in some small way have made this planetarium look as amazing as it does.